Do the Marios!
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Sons of Mine-archy back at ya with me, Popz, and the host with the most,
HB.
that be me or he.
So today we started a world a long time ago when we didn't record, but it's not that long ago. But he thinks it's okay, so
I like it. It's my home right here. I like it a lot.
leave. So
Please subscribe. Check out our other videos and
Yeah.
other stuff. Leave in the comments. Tell us what you want to see. What other stuff you want to see us do in Minecraft. Or, since this is Sons of Mine-archy, father
If
and
you
son.
saw our other video, see which one's the best.
This is Sons of Mine-archy, father and son game review and gameplay. So if there's other games you want us to see or you want us to play and review, please let us know in the comments. Hit that like button, smash it right now, do it.
Don't.
And we will get on with the get on. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Get on with the get on.
If
No,
we,
this dog hates me, by the way.
It's
Kinda wanna
my
kill it.
dog. Jeez. So if you haven't saw our last video, we're in a totally different world.
Boom.
See, I'll show you around the house. Popz will just do stuff.
Well, flying is on. This is actually in survivable. We turned flying on, so this is a kind of our world. We initially made this. This area right here
So,
was our initial home.
Popz, what do you want to do today? You might saw our other part of the house. That was our first part. And then
Who
we
made the
built,
swimming pool right there?
I did. And then we didn't build that yet. We just built a bridge.
We built a
built
bridge
this
over the
house
lake.
first, and then this house exactly the same thing. And then this part, and then we connected that other bridge, this bridge over there. And then I made that part, and then I made the upstairs part of it. And before that I made that house. And now we made this closed swimming pool. And I have 21 levels. Yeah. When we started doing it without recording, he killed a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And then I got some levels.
And then what happens is there's a fairly good amount of monsters that come out at night around here for whatever reason. So we built this this big old walkway out so that we can take a look at them and shoot them with bows.
Remember
Yeah.
ballerina? Okay. And also we made this ballerina, like in creative. I have an idea.
Oops. Fell a little far. Here we go.
Hey, no, stop it, stop
It's
it.
battle
Not
arena.
yet, not yet. No, you have to set up. Hey, no, I have an idea. We have to make it better. If you step on the cactus, then you'll get hurt. So, make sure. And then, see, I'll just put 3 around. Hey, stop it. It's not yet. Jeez. Why are you hitting me with a bow? Kind of weird. No. Stop it. Hey, let's make 2 stories.
2 stories? Like, one's gonna be Mother Goose and Grimm. One's gonna be Little Red Riding Hood.
Wow.
That's
Do you have
2
any
stories.
food on you?
Yep.
Can I have some?
Yeah. Can't come and get me though.
I have flying mode on you.
No, actually, I only have rotten flesh. If you're hungry for some rotten flesh, I got plenty. No, that's raw pork chop. You
I
wanna eat
want
it?
it. Just
No,
give
I'm
it.
gonna put it in the furnace. I'm gonna put it in the furnace.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'll show you inside. Our dog used to be there, but it got killed. Remember, you killed it. So I'm gonna. There's usually some food in the
It's a lie.
furnace. And there's the pictures. Like, is there any food? There's raw flesh if you want some. throwing it in the chest. So here, I just want to eat it raw. Num 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 num. So what are we gonna be doing in this episode? No wait, I'm gonna build us our house. Another one. So
It's all good.
So I know what you're saying, like, why are you flying? You're supposed to fly, but just for this episode, since we already started it. Should I make us a treehouse? They're all combined together. That's hard.
He's a hungry boy.
Oh, let's have some apples. That's pretty good. I'm gonna make us something.
I need to find some feathers. I need to make some more arrows.
So we are gonna be doing lots of series, just some. Only a little durability. Take it out. Look at our tree farm, it's so much. Come on, help me with my
I'm
tree
getting
farm.
some cooked pork chops.
Can you give me axe?
Alright, go for it. If you need it,
Okay.
go for it.
What?
It's in the original furnace. In our original home.
In our original home? Oh. So, we don't have an original home, you know?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, the original home. We also made this way, so it's my dog. Stop it. Don't you dare.
I can't give it to him anyways.
Good. It's my dog. This is...
Do you have arrows? What are the chickens? I need their feathers.
There you go. This is our house. Okay. Okay, I ate some food. Cut down some trees now. Should we go sleep? Come on, doggy.
I need to get some steak.
I have some food for you.
What?
Come to sleep.
Did you teleport me?
No, come to sleep. You better. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me.
Hey, is there feathers in
No,
there?
look at me, look at me, look at me. Look at me.
I don't want to.
Look at
You're smelly. Okay, I'll sleep.
Okay, so recording. Doing nothing.
Look, there's a pig right here. Pig.
Hey, it's Mr. Pork Chop! Stop it! Don't kill. Oh wait. This is our
Animals can be in here.
animals can spawn anywhere. Hey, where's my axe?
Did you just see a chicken? I just saw a chicken.
Did you steal my axe?
Why don't you axe somebody else?
I don't get it. Found a chicken.
Where?
It's right here near the pond. He wants to get in. Should I kill him for you and get you the stuff?
Yeah, I need some
Hey.
arrows.
You have to. I will. Okay, you. Here's the thing. I'll give you the feathers if you could give me, if you could get me an axe. any old axe. I'm too
Why?
lazy to get it. Just get me one, please.
Just want me to give you one.
Fine, I'll give you it.
I have an axe.
Hey, it's mine! So mean, give it to me.
What?
Give it.
Give what?
Give it to me. Give it, no!
You scared me. I didn't know you teleported me to your location.
Give me.
This is assault. It's being recorded on TV.
Yeah.
Oh, did you take out pork chops?
Yeah, all of them.
Well, I knew you were gonna do that, so.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Are you sure? Sure you want to come in?
No. Oh yeah, I'll suit up. Remember, I have armor.
Why you want to play like that? I was trying to be nice to you.
You were killing me.
Look,
oh, yeah.
I'm gonna give you other half of the steak.
I don't need any more steak.
I'm gonna give you steak, okay? Let's
Look,
play nice.
get-
Let's play nice.
I gave you that iron sword. I could take it back.
Let's play nice. Do you want to play nice?
No. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to play nice?
Yeah. Yeah. I want to play nice. I'm just gonna put on my armor. Hey, I know that could be like a parkour match. It's battle, but you have to get a stone sword. How do you make arrows again? Oh yeah, with feathers. I have some feathers. That's great. And a bow. I need flint. How do you get flint? Do you have flint? I need flint.
Why?
I don't know. To get some arrows. Okay, fine. I have an idea. No, not yet. Stop it.
I'm not even doing anything.
Stop it. No.
He's trying to hurt me.
Stop it. Stop it.
He's trying to
Stop
hurt me.
it.
He's trying to hurt me.
I'll tell him to sit down. Just don't do anything to him. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Don't go near cactus, please. It's not my dog. It's my dog.
It's not even your dog.
Oh my gosh! No, wait. He's leaving. He's leaving. Boy. Is that even my dog? Yep, that's my dog. Sit down, you stinky dog. Bah. Stop it. No, come back here. Sit down. You know how frustrating this can be.
It's like having a son.
I'm doing this on camera. Yeah, I'm doing it.
See?
Sorry, doggy. Ah! I have an idea. Okay, this could be like a ballerina, but there's like platforms, certain platforms you can go on to. There's gonna be like this one I'm gonna make.
Trust you anymore. Try to bring your dog and kill me.
Hey, you did that.
3, 2, 1. Battle on. Go. No flying. Let's go. Come on.
You have an iron sword. It's not fair. Daddy, it's not fair. You have an iron.
No, it's alright. You're good.
Ah, no. sorry. I just haven't cooked more chop.
What are you doing?
No flying.
What are you doing? You're flying right now.
Too bad. I'm some raw chicken. Well, I'm suited up. It's not fair. You have an iron sword. Stop it. I'm gonna kill you anyways. I always want to do that. look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm jumping on your body. What would you have in a battle arena?
Your carcass.
Come
Come down to the ground.
I just fell from the ground.
Come down to the ground.
Today, I will build a house.
Go.
A stinky house.
Go inside. Come inside the
stinky
battle arena.
house.
Come inside the battle arena. It's not over.
Yeah, it is.
It's not over. Come to the battle arena.
Violence in real life here.
What are you doing?
Building a stinky house. If you could find me, I'll give you a dollar. If you could find me, I'll give you.
Where did you go?
Oh, I know what we should do. Every day we should just... We should do this. Play hide and seek. See how many days you can get it. You want that? Stop it! That was really tense. This is a game of tag. Except it's really painful. Where
Come
did
on
I
the
go?
ground. Come to the ground. Come to the ground.
No, I am on the ground. Look it. Dun.
Come on, just come out. Come on. Give me a chance first, at least.
I am.
Give me a chance first.
I'm not.
Come up first. Let me see where you are first.
Okay, I have to come out for 1 second.
Huh?
I'm up.
No, wait. I can't see you, though. You gotta give me a chance.
I am giving you a chance.
No, I can't even see where you are.
I'll roam around.
Look, there's nothing. You're giving these people nothing to see. Look.
Let people know what I'm doing.
No, nobody knows what you're doing. You don't even know where you are.
I don't. That's the thing. If I don't, then you don't.
Oh, great.
Oh yeah, I really lost. Where am I? See if you can find me.
You gotta move around, though.
I can't.
Are you in our house?
No.
You're in the trees.
There's lots of trees.
Where are you? Come on, give me a chance. There's your body.
You can't hit me. I'm in my crafting. Your only chance is to escape.
What is this? I can't hit you anyways. You can't even see me, huh?
Your iron sword broke.
Doesn't matter. You can't see me though, huh? Can you see me? Look, try to find me. Try to find me. I'll stand right in the open. You can't find me. Watch.
Fine.
I'll stand right here. Find me. Find me. I'm right here, look. Right next to the pig. Where are you? Where am I? I'll give you $20 if you can point me out. Where are you? No, you're backwards. Your back is facing me. You cannot find me.
Look at ice cream.
Yeah, what about it? What? What do you use your screen? What do you use your screen? What do you think, I'm a ghost? Just striking at nothing, huh?
We can't eat each other. Oh, I know what's going on.
What?
I'm disabled to lie. Watch this. No, can I see that?
Okay.
Can I see something?
Okay, I will. I'll do it. You're right.
Can you find me? I'm stuck. Oops.
Alright, you guys.
Yeah.
See? This is what happens. We get too crazy.
If you...
We forget the point of what we're doing.
Yeah.
But, you know, still fun. For us.
And if you see the other video, which one gets the most thumbs up, we're going to continue it with one. Which one? You decide in the comments. We'll pick it out and then we'll decide.
We appreciate you guys checking us out. Subscribe. Hit the like. We'll meet up with you guys next time, huh? Remember, we're your biggest fans.
Yeah.
For HB and me, Popz.
Popz.
Sons of Mine-archy forever.